Hey everyone, looking for a dinner that's delicious, easy, and won't break the bank? This chicken and rice casserole is your new weeknight hero. It's perfect for busy families, students, or anyone who loves a comforting meal with minimal effort. You'll need cooked chicken, either leftover or rotisserie, and uncooked white rice. We're also using cream of mushroom soup, chicken broth, and a touch of onion powder and garlic powder for flavor. Don't forget some shredded cheddar cheese for that irresistible topping. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, combine the cooked chicken, uncooked rice, cream of mushroom soup, and chicken broth. Stir in the onion powder and garlic powder until everything is well mixed. Pour this mixture into a 9/13-inch baking dish. Make sure it's spread evenly. Now sprinkle that generous layer of shredded cheddar cheese right over the top. Cover the dish tightly with foil and bake for 45 minutes. Then remove the foil and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes, or until the rice is tender and the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. Let it rest for a few minutes before serving. And there you have it, a hearty, flavorful chicken and rice casserole ready to enjoy. It's a complete meal in one dish, perfect for dinner tonight or for meal prepping throughout the week. Give it a try and taste the simplicity.